Hey there, creators! Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a simple yet impressive method for generating fancy QR codes using AI. And the best part, it's completely free! Let's dive right in. First things first, let's fire up Chrome. Next, search for OpenArt QR code. Now, click on the first link that appears. Paste your URL into the provided field. Select any style that catches your eye. Click on Create to generate your fancy QR code. Let's give it a moment to work its magic. And there you have it. Your fancy QR code is ready to go. Click on Download to save it to your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more creative content. Thanks for watching and happy QR coding!